Hey guys, this is step index 200. It's 5 minutes time frame that I'm looking at. So you can see here we have a 15-minute fair value gap here, and we have a shift in market structure here. So I'm waiting for price to get to this level here of our 15 minutes fair value gap, and when price gets to this level here, I'm gonna be looking for sell profiles for any confirmation that we are going down. So basically this is what I'm expecting, price getting to this level here, and then we get to see a decline. So basically this is gonna be your first target. It's gonna be here somewhere here. This is gonna be your first target here, unless as price is going up and then we get to have something interesting at this level here, then we're gonna have a look at that. But as for now, this is gonna be your first target here.